One cartel no real, no shape or form. You no real a blood clot. Yeah. The boy is selfish. You know what you do? The whole of people them when team up with them build Gaza and style Devabratt.
You big head hunchback bumbo clap boy, you may attack.
Klaba TV go soka kang. Quiz panichiga this a one can jam. Big up your TV and number one them a tear down the fence when you bust this a one. Shuku. Kang. You don't know. A Bobby Wonder.
Pull up. One TV and a Clubber TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up.
One cartel no real, no shape or form. You no real a blood clot. Yeah. The boy is selfish. You know what you do? The whole of people them when team up with them build Gaza and style Devabratt. And style Devabratt, but Devabratt rape. Pussy, you're the worst and Devabratt, you're a friend killer. You're a friend killer. Because we don't know if I lie, the girl tell upon Devabratt said he dog rape. You're a friend killer, Kartel, we don't rate you. You feel me? I see your ratings drop. You get me? I see your ratings drop like a shit out of body in a toilet. Yeah, your ratings drop. You get a batty boy, you shit up. Man a comb my ear and your name a call up and pay your batty. You feel me? I say? Yeah. And you know how come they come mobile? Come like batty man they are mobile if you two me that hear them attack. You know you come mobile and you get be a buckle off a stage. Pussy man by the time you come mobile out of Agosal and the man give you a buckle in your head. Me know they no buckle a blood clot mobile where they come mobile.
You big head hunchback bumbo clap boy, you may attack. You may come bout. You somebody? Dirty jankra? You somebody? Dog shit?
Yo, you miss a boy. Now I go call your name, you know, but you say you boy, see you box up your man daughter yesterday, you know, boy. And man, watch you do that thing and come to you know, and hold you, you know. And I said to you, say, youth, control yourself. What go on? You know, have no right for your box up your man daughter. You go ask me, say, if I feel me business, pussy. Let me tell you this. I know feel me business, you know, because you know why? I know my family. Bro, you see, if she was for me daughter, I know ask mother ask you what go on. I take police so that come take you up out of the street dead. Remember, say, me tell you that. Hey, you know the ramp with some man daughter where some man when I kill people, some man afraid of jail, some man afraid of prison, some man afraid of the justice system. Yo, you see me when I have enough.
Oh, my sister sent me a very disturbing video on Instagram of Dancehall, and I'm gonna say in quotations because it's like a one-hit wonder, Iron Balloon, Qwella, beating up what is supposedly a video vixen. Now there isn't no full story on like why or how this happened. The allegations are that, and I won't even say allegation because I did see the video of him like physically hitting her. It is on tape, so I don't gotta come with no legalities. We saw you beating up this girl, but what we don't know is why, and frankly I do not care why. I do not care why. Now they're saying that she's a video vixen. She was there to be in the video. There's other girls around too, so the story does not sound far-fetched. And this man like beat up the girl. There's other men around that didn't do anything, not even tell him yo stop or nothing. And there was a girl, I don't even know if she was helping because she would seem like she was pulling the hair too, the girl in the red. I don't know, like, oh my god. I fuckery, you're the Qwella. And there's nothing that you can say that will justify this unless she beat you up first. I mean, no, so she not beat you up. If she says something or whatever it is, or do something that rub her the wrong way, send her yard, kick her out. Like, for do her face like this, that's crazy, disgusting and disturbing. And I will not be playing bad bougie bitch. I know, I mean, and this, like, I was so happy I was gonna say I don't even know this man. I was gonna make up, but then I'm like, oh, I do know this man, and I actually do like this song. But yeah, you are a one-hit wonder. Obey that pan you. No more. Nothing. Nah, boss try so. Yeah.
Klaba TV go soka kang. Quiz panichiga this a one can jam. Big up your TV and number one them a tear down the fence when you bust this a one. Shuku. Kang. You don't know. A Bobby Wonder. You see me? And you don't know.
Yo, call the fire brigade. I'm on fire, about to kill some vampires like Blade. These motherfuckers want me to retire. I'm like, nah, you stole the Portmore Empire, then you gave me the shade. Played me a fool, blood stick like gravy when it's school. Hot when I school your old lady in the pool. I seen you bought a house real near me. I pull up at the house and appear and she gets scary, what? And if it's killing, I'm willing. I catch him lacking and chilling. I'm about to make me a villain. Trigger finger itching, got the extra clipping. I'm finna get the kitchen pitch and it's not for the chicken. I hear voices, it sound like children in the living room watching a movie. Think it's the killing. See them steering.
Pull up. One TV and a Clubber TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up. I talk about me take 14 days for answer song. When you take 1 month, and you then still lock up in a house with dog. Dog man, never give me the list, me and me come and I take no this. Fabric violating, I face my done me clip. Boom, like ball, panic, long in blood a drip. 9x19, make it give but flip. Look how them start a war and a come out, don't know the fire. Come a drive round in a car, me go sleep up one SLR. They go bust the bang, go blast them, must think me low fit talk. Me friend, them even have no heart. Dancehall war, then go kick off. Conflict. Metaphor Sibylis, me kill him with 9x of a me if me use a busting pussy lip. Matic them a chain, give me trigger finger never stick. 21 in a the clip, me done the pan fabric. Me go kill you with bars like when we do time in a jail. Dash with them flow and style, they hit steel. Lame style, good effort, you rhyme them feel. Call man, batty man, your biggest fish, little wheel. Look how them start a war and a come out, don't know the far. Come a drive round in a car, me just sleep up one SLR. Go bust the bomb, go blast them. Must think me low fit talk. Me friend them even have no heart. Dancehall war then go kick off. Yeah, far range we snipe them from Chester. Shot a fly in a chest and in a nexa. Crucial conflict with short temper. Watch them a boom up like the World Trade Center. Head a flick when he zigzag spit. Shot fabric clip off a baby leak clip. Mouth a chum frat to no move in my pit. Mouth think like a shit down to dog in my kiss. Look how them start a war and a come out gun out the far. Come a drive round in a car. Me just sleep up one SLR. They go bust the bomb, go blast them. Must think me low fit talk. Me friend them even have no heart. Dancehall war then go kick off. Bumbuckler people them go ramp with. I may have a crucial conflict. I may have a fire rage. I may have a spread 45. Uncle, bad people something deaf at the gang. Yo, Bobby 6 killer. One at a someone man. Body bad. Legal conflict.